Screen time. Kids love it. Exploring online is a key part of being a kid these days. But as parents, we need to set limits. Sometimes we want our kids to simply unplug and play outside. What if you could set those limits with the push of a button on your phone? What if you could do this from any location, like from your desk at work? Now you can. Introducing the Wi-Fi by Rybot, a pause button for your kids' Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi plugs into your current internet, creating a second network just for your kids. Just like that, your kids now have their own internet separate from yours. The companion app puts you in charge of their time on the internet. With a single tap, pause your kids' Wi-Fi. Tap again to resume it. Want to limit your kids to 30 minutes of Xbox? Just set your Wi-Fi timer, and in 30 minutes their internet turns off and they're done. Pause Wi-Fi when it's time for dinner and enjoy some quality family time. Turn Wi-Fi off at bedtime to ensure your kids get to sleep without online distractions. Give your kids the screen time they need to explore, learn, and have fun. Give yourself the peace of mind of being able to manage that screen time simply and stress-free. The Wi-Fi by Rybot. One device, one app, one cable to connect, and one big problem solved. Order yours today.
Hi. Hi, I'm Jordan. My mommy and daddy are not good at feeding me baby bottles. I need to wait forever. It was even worse when I was away from home. So daddy made pop them and it was really cool. It's better at home. It's better away from home. It's better at daycare. There's no BPA. What is BPA anyway?
Hi, I'm Zach. Inspired by a collection of crummy bottle feeding experiences, I set out to make a better everyday baby bottle, and Pop Yum was born. Pop Yum stores water and formula separately in the bottle until hunger calls. Parents and babies who've tried Pop Yum absolutely love it, and we think you will love it too. Pop Yum's not only for parents who choose to bottle feed, but it's also great for parents who breastfeed, because it stores mother's milk in the bottle with absolutely no leaks. As parents, we also know that babies can't wait for a delayed bottle. That's why we've done all the work before coming to Kickstarter. We've created countless prototypes. We've tested and perfected the Pop Yum bottle. We've partnered with a top-tier manufacturer. We've already made the product molds, and we've sourced top-quality premium materials for the bottle. We've already passed FDA, European Union, and Canada bottle testing. Since we only need your help in placing the first order, we're confident that we can deliver Pop Yum bottles to you on time. And that's our top priority. Every Pop Yum pledge also helps a family with chronic Lyme disease. To learn more, check out our Kickstarter page. Support Pop Yum today and help a new generation of parents pop, shake, and yum their way to a better baby bottle feeding experience.
Oh, the joy of being new parents. What a miracle. Look at this precious angel. Before Ray Baby here showed up like a knight in shining armor, you and your baby were constantly losing sleep.
Excuse me.
And when you finally were able to get some work done, you could hardly focus on anything because you were constantly thinking about the baby. And let's face it, that old baby monitor you were using just wasn't much help. Now you have Ray Baby on call 24/7 with the first truly smart non-contact baby wellness tracker. With this brand new state-of-the-art technology, parents are able to track their baby's vitals, such as respiration rate and sleeping habits. Ray Baby is light and easy to mount. Simple setup, no complicated hardware, no lithium batteries. Ray's technology is superior. Similar to ultrasound, Ray Baby has an ultra-wideband radar to track vitals, all at a safe distance so your baby can rest comfortably. And now you can finally sleep in peace, knowing your little bundle of joy is safe and sound. It's scientifically proven that sleep is extremely important for your baby's mental and physical development. Try organizing your days based on Ray Baby's data and see how much your lives improve. Don't worry, Ray Baby notifies you when she's awake and gives you some recommendations based off of your baby's vitals and sleep patterns. We know that life is not all sunshine and rainbows 365 days a year, and those days when your baby is sick are some of the most nerve-wracking of all. But when you have Ray Baby reporting accurate vitals around the clock, you're able to pinpoint the problem and immediately take action. Now your baby is always a button away, closer and safer than ever. You can ease your mind knowing your baby doesn't just appear to be doing fine. Now you'll know for certain that everything's okay, and when all your friends and family badger you for updates and more pictures of the little Princess Buttercup, you can show them significant moments like this, and this. Supported by Johnson & Johnson Innovation and HAC's Joint Consumer Health Device Accelerator program, our team is always thinking about the baby's safety first. That's why we developed this non-contact wellness baby tracker made with FDA-approved components only. So no matter how far away you are, you'll always feel right at home with the one you love most.
We